In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GOG download error E9 quickly and safely using GOG Galaxy. This is a simple troubleshooting method that often gets the download or update process working again when a game gets stuck, refuses to start, or throws an error during installation. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open the GOG Galaxy app on your PC. Once it loads, look at the left-hand menu and click on Installed. This will show you all the games you already have on your system through GOG Galaxy. Next, find the game that is giving you the E9 download error. Select that game and then look for the Customize icon right next to the play button. This icon gives you access to extra options for that specific game. Click on it and then choose the Verify and Repair option. This tells GOG Galaxy to check the game files and make sure everything is in the correct place. Even if the download is failing, this step can help refresh the installation process. After starting Verify and Repair, go to the Downloads tab in GOG Galaxy. You should see the repair task listed there. Now cancel that task from the Downloads tab. It may sound a little unusual, but this is the step that can help reset the download state and clear the stuck error. Once that is cancelled, go back to the same game in your library. Now try to install the game again, or if it's an update, try to update it again. In many cases, GOG Galaxy will now begin downloading or updating properly without showing the E9 error. If it starts working, let it finish the process and make sure the game is fully installed before launching it. If the error was caused by a temporary download state or a broken task in the launcher, this method should get everything moving again. So just to quickly recap, you open GOG Galaxy, go to Installed, select the game, click the Customize icon, choose Verify and Repair, cancel it from the Downloads tab, and then try the Install or Update again. That simple reset is often enough to fix the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.